Come test drive the 2020 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.